Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ledger account. A ledger account is a fundamental tool in accounting, serving as a detailed record for each individual asset, liability, equity, revenue, and expense item. It helps you systematically track every financial transaction, ensuring clarity and accuracy in your financial records. Understanding its structure is key to effective bookkeeping. Mastering debits and credits is crucial for proper ledger use. Remember, debits are typically on the left side of an account and credits on the right. For assets and expenses, a debit increases the balance. Conversely, for liabilities, equity, and revenue, a credit increases the balance. This dual entry system ensures that your accounting equation always remains in balance. When recording a transaction, first identify the accounts involved. For example, if you pay $500 for rent, your cash account decreases and your rent expense account increases. You would credit cash and debit rent expense. Always ensure the total debits equal the total credits for each entry. This meticulous process builds a reliable financial history. To balance a ledger account, simply total all the debit entries and all the credit entries. The difference between these two totals gives you the account's ending balance. For instance, if debits total $1,000 and credits total $600, your account has a $400 debit balance. This balance is then used to prepare financial statements, providing a clear snapshot of your financial position.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.